You're the feeling in my soul. Every sunrise turns to gold. You're the reason I will never be alone. Every moment that we spend, like a symphony begins. You're the reason I will.
Ang hiling at dasal ko sa iyo, sana maging mabait itong bata, matutong makasama, at maging mapagkumbaba sa lahat ng bagay. At nawa ay magkaroon ka ng takot sa Panginoon. At yun, mahal na mahal ka namin. Kung ano man yung kaya namin gawin at ibigay para sa iyo, gagawin namin lahat.
My only wish for you is matupad mo lahat yung dreams mo, lahat ng desires ng heart mo matupad, and may God always bless you.
Heading out on our own with our hope in the
Hi,
clouds.
Isis! Happy first birthday. Ikaw yung living proof na miracles do happen. You are an answered prayer to nanay and tatay.
Isis, anak, grabe, 1 taon ka na. 5 taon ka namin inantay at pinagdasal, at habang buhay ka namin alagaan at mamahalin. Naging struggle man ang unang taon dahil unang baby ka namin at first time namin maging parents.
Happy first birthday from your tata and your team. So we wish you very best. Sana maging lumaki ka na healthy, happy, and ma-achieve mo lahat ng dreams.
With the sunlight on our skin, it's a brand new day. It's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure
Kasi sinopresa kami ng birthday ng lolo niya. Sabi, punta kaming hotel, may regalo. Tapos, wala naman kaming nakita regalo. Nakita ko yung anak kong isa. Nado, nagtaka ako, bakit nandito yung anak ko? Tapos, may kargang bata.
Hindi ko akalain na talagang akala ko December ko po makikita yung apo ko. Hindi pala. Nung birthday ko pala makikita.
All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins. Here we go.
Just always remember that nanay and tatay will always be here to support you, and lagi mo lang tatandaan na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday!
Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.